Question 18. A square number and a prime number have a total of 22. What are the two numbers? Well, we can only go up to 22, so we might as well just think about the square numbers and prime numbers up to 22. So possibilities for the square number would be as follows. Well, we've got 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 5 is 25. But even if we go as far as 25, this is going to go way over the 22 already. We're already going over 22, even if we're on 25, and we haven't even done the prime number yet. So basically, we don't want to go as far as the 25. So let's just scribble that one out. We can, even better, we can rub it out. So the only square numbers that we're actually interested in are 1, 4, 9 or 16. So let's just write those down at the bottom here. 1, 4, 9, 16. The next job, we need to think about prime numbers. Well, prime numbers are numbers that only have themselves and 1 as factors. So up to 22, we've got as follows. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, keeping going, 17, 19, and actually that is it, because 20, 21 and 22 are not prime numbers. And the reason they are prime numbers is because they've only got 1 and themselves as factors. So 2 is just 1 times 2, 3 is 1 times 3, 5 is 1 times 5, 7 is 1 times 7, 11 is 1 times 11, 13 is 1 times 13, 17 is 1 times 17, and 19 is 1 times 19. So that is the options we've got for the prime numbers. So what we need to do is find one of these numbers, 1, 4, 9 and 16, added together to one of these numbers, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, they will actually have a total of 22. So the easiest way to do it is say, well, what if the square number was 1? What would the prime number have to be to make 22? Well, 1 plus 21 would give us 22, but the problem is 21 is not a prime number. So 1 is no good to us. What about 4? Well, if it was 4 as a square number, the prime number to get up to 22 would need to be 18, because 4 add 18 makes 22. But 18 is not in the prime number list, so 4 is no good either. If it was 9, then what number added to 9 makes 22? That's 13. 9 add 13 makes 22. Well, as you can see, 13 is there. It is a prime number, so that would actually work. 9 and 13 would be a combination. So 9 is a square number and 13 is the prime number. Just to double check 16, because that was the only other square number we made a list of. 16 added onto 6 makes 22, but 6 is not a prime number. So because 6 is not a prime number, we can't use the 16 and the 6. So as you can see, the only combination that we can use is this 9 for the square number and 13 for the prime number. 9 add 13 is 22, and that does actually work. Let's do a quick check. See if we can make 22. 13 add 9. 9 add 3 is 12. Put the 2 in, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So that is 22. So as you can see, that works. 9 for the square number, 13 for the prime number.